To the youth of Africa, the future is calling your name. My brothers and sisters, you were not born by accident. You were born on a continent rich in history, strength, culture, brilliance, and unstoppable spirit. From the kingdoms of Mali and Kush, from the wisdom of elders, from the rhythm of drums that echo courage, you come from greatness. Do not let anyone tell you that your dreams are too big. Africa is not just a place on the map, it is potential waiting to rise. And that potential lies inside you. Yes, there are challenges. Yes, there are obstacles. Yes, sometimes the system feels heavy. But remember this: diamonds are formed under pressure. And Africa has always turned pressure into power. You are the generation of innovation. The generation of technology. The generation that can transform villages into smart communities, ideas into companies, and struggles into stories of victory. Your phone is not just for scrolling, it is a tool. Your voice is not small, it is influence. Your education is not just for certificates, it is for impact. Do not wait for permission to succeed. Build. Create. Learn. Lead. Support one another instead of competing with jealousy. Collaborate instead of tearing each other down. Celebrate progress, even small wins. The world is changing, and Africa is rising. But it will not rise because of politicians alone. It will rise because of young dreamers who refuse to quit. Because of coders, farmers, artists, engineers, entrepreneurs, teachers, and visionaries who believe in something better. Let your mindset be stronger than your circumstances. You are not the leaders of tomorrow, you are leaders now. Stand tall in your identity. Honor your roots. Chase excellence. And never apologize for ambition. Africa does not need you to be perfect. It needs you to be courageous. The future is not something you wait for. It is something you build. And it is calling your name.